Okay, guys. Oh, great. There's my two buddies from last year in the tree, the two birds. It's the same couple. I didn't see them here. I think it's the same type of bird. But I didn't see them here yesterday, and I was like, oh man, what happened to that? What happened to that couple of birds? But there they are. They were here this morning. Anyways, we had a couple of mountain bikers come through here. Then they went up this swale here. I'd say about 7, 8 of them. And they all fucking went the same speed up that sucker. I'm thinking, goddamn, those gotta be. Now, that is not a steep terrain right there. But everybody kept up with each other, right? So I'm thinking, they gotta be fucking electric bikes. I'm almost certain of it. Anyways, we're gonna go check. We got rain pants on now. No helmet, because I got rain gear on my head. So we're gonna go check. We're gonna catch up to them.